Morning from here. My name is Ruth Patricio, and I'm going to show you the CRM management, and I will use the Salesforce application. So I'm here now in my Salesforce. I'm going to add 5 leads out of it. So let's just click this one and click the leads here, click the new one. So let's create new leads from here. For example, that is Mr. George Washington DC. Okay, that's just a pretend one, and then George, we have to make sure that all the informations here are precise, specifically the email address and the cell phone number. So let's create another one here. That would be, for example, Miss Alice. So I've already input uh, uh, information here for me to easily just click on those ones. So that's it. We've already created three. So this is, let's just say that the one. So that's how you created leads in here. So after that, I think this is gonna be the uh, last one. So think that I've created the 5 leads. After that, if ever that 5 leads turn into a contact, just click on this one and click the add new here. So let's add two contacts in here. Example, the George Washington turn from leads into a prospect, and fill up all the information here. Then click the send button. So I think we have to make sure that all the information here is correct. So after that, click that one. Also, another contact. So for example, Frank. So we have to make sure that Frank here was saved. So so that's it. So after we have already created a contact, let's create a calendar management for them, or to contact those lead that turns into a prospect. So for example, this one Frank in here, and we wanted to contact him in the calendar. So just click this one and add event here. Add the event here. What is the subject? It could be the one, the description here, what is the purpose of that email. Then search that one here, Dr. Frank, and then save button here. So that is how you use the CRM Salesforce. And specifically the Salesforce, we add 5 leads, create 2 contacts, and add a calendar management to it. So that would be all. Thank you.